Bushenyi emu ku district ezikola Uganda ng'esangibwa mu bugwanjuba bw'eggwanga. Eno erimu abantu abasoba mu mitwalo 4 nga basinga bavubuka. Ekyennaku okusinziira ku lusiisira lw'ebyobulamu olwategekeddwa kkooti enkulu e Bushenyi, akawuka akaleeta siriimu keeyongedde okwegiriisa mu kitundu kino.
The majority of these young people we are testing positive students and others are in school, in the institutions of higher learning.
Mu kiseera kino abantu 1,872 be bazuuliddwamu akawuka kano.
Every 100 people we see 8 are testing HIV positive, and this is way above the national average, which is 4.9%. We've so far tested and identified about 95% of the people we think are HIV positive. The estimates for this district show we have about 18,172 people who are HIV positive.
Kino kyeraliikiriza abakulu ne bategeeza nga batandise okukwatagana n'ab'ebyenjigiriza okutuuka ku bayizi mu masomero.
We are going to have intensified mobilization for them to understand what HIV is.
Ng'oggyeko abavubuka abali mu masomero, siriimu azuuliddwa ne mu bitundu ebirala.
The tea plantation workers, the uniforms and others, so we want to see how we engage them more in this period. We have several truck drivers and other visitors into the district, especially those who come for the different markets that are popular in this district. But not forget the several bars and lodges that we have in several of these hotspots.
Kino bakitadde ku bantu obutayambala kondomu n'obutafaayo kwekebeza entakera.
What we've seen as the risk factors in this district is to do with one, the rise in infections among the adolescents and young girls.
Kati babakanye ne kaweefube okusomesa abantu enkozesa ya kondomu anti okwerinda si butiitiizi.
It is very easy when you are already ready to go into the act. So immediately you put it on, you just roll. Kokurolinga hashemere kwani hasigayo this space. Space egi yo kugira ngo ntihazamo ki spams. Abokuba wajigiro takalinga kuzamo that space. Nibomwe network. So you have to make sure that there is this space. So kokweza, that means you are ready. Your wife is already here. So you insert. It will go straight.
Batugambye nti waliko n'ebifo ebisoba mu 30 bwe batadde kondomu naddala ebisanyukirwamu kiyamba abantu okuzifuna ku bwereere.
But in addition to using the condom dispensers, we have put in all lodges, even those which don't have dispensers.
Kati abazuulwamu akawuka bakwasibwa malwaliro okutandika okumira eddagala.
And so far, we have a total of 17,293 people living with HIV/AIDS and on ARVs. So they are being treated and managed through our health centers.
Ebitundu awakyasinze okuzuulwamu akawuka mu Bushenyi ye Town Council okuli Kizinda, Kyamuhunga, Kigoma ne Lwentuha.
And in terms of viral load suppression, we are so far at 97.2%, implying that the people I've talked about as being on treatment, 97% are actually having viral load suppression, which is very important for us in the fight against HIV/AIDS.
Ng'ennaku z'omwezi lumu Desemba, Uganda yakwegatta ku nsi yonna okwefumiitiriza ku kirwadde kya siriimu.